ഫിൻലൻഡിൽ ഇന്ത്യൻ മേള നടക്കുന്ന അവിടെ സ്ഥലത്തെത്തി. ഇവിടെ നിന്നുള്ള വീഡിയോ ആണ് ഇനി. ഇന്ത്യ ഡേ. പിള്ളേർ കളിക്കുന്നു.
एकदम बढ़िया। आपका ऐसा
आयुर्वेद
आपका बीपी आ रहा है, आप नहीं आ रहा है। अच्छा वाला क्लाइंट नहीं है। देगा अभी तक नहीं आया। एक साथ
India Day today. You want to guess? Anyone wants to guess? There's 500 people just volunteering today to make this event happen. 3 cheers to all the volunteers here. And then it's the main thing, our partners and our sponsors. It's the Finnish and the Indian companies that come together, partner with us to make this event possible, and together with the Indian Embassy as well. What do our sponsors, our partners get in return? Well, they get an exposure, they get brand visibility, they are able to meet up their environmental, social governance initiatives, diversity, equity, inclusion initiatives, as well as, hey, where do you get the best IT talent? Come on, guys. Who are the best IT guys in Finland? Of course, the very first time. So 3 cheers to everyone living in Espoo. And I would like to invite Melissa Harden. Melissa works as a senior advisor at the Economic Development and Employment Unit at the City of Espoo. Together with her team, she currently works at Espoo Talent Hub, the main point of contact for international people living in Espoo. So if you really have anything to do about living in Espoo, you know where to reach out to. She's passionate about community development, supporting employees, and also crafting perfect kimchi. So over to you, Melissa.
Thank you so much, Vaishali, and wow, this is the biggest audience I've ever had the opportunity to address. Thank you so much for having us here today. It's a big honor for us, and I would like to bring a warm welcome and a greeting from the most Indian city in Finland. I would quickly like to have a show of hands. How many of you have come to this event from Espoo? You live in Espoo. Woohoo! Okay, so when I say, I count to 1, 2, and 3, and then we all say Espoo. Okay? Are you with me? 1, 2, 3, Espoo! Woohoo! Thank you so much. The city strategy relies on collaboration with our residents and the companies. So anything we do together with the residents and the companies, we can succeed in. And since more than 8% of the non-Finnish speaking residents in Espoo are from India, it is really important for us to be able to work with you here today and have this day of celebration. We have a stand over there, so the 4th white tent from here. I have a lot of colleagues there, so if you want to know about the city services or the free time activities, you can talk to colleagues about Hello Espoo and Visit Espoo. Also, Visit Espoo colleagues can tell you about the tourism and conference opportunities. My colleagues from Enter Espoo can tell you about the latest news of the innovation ecosystem in Espoo. And then also, as Vaishali mentioned, my colleagues from Espoo Talent Hub. We are here to help also in career development or finding the right next recruit for your company. So with these words, I wish you all a lovely India Day, and thank you so much for all the organizers and presenters and the audience, of course. Thank you.
Thank you, Melissa. All right. So now I would like to invite our second sponsor, and that is from Wipro, Mr. Prabhu Subaya. Prabhu Subaya heads the application services for Nordics region, and he's part of Nordic leadership team in Wipro. He's been living in Finland for last 8 years and with his wife and daughter, and he has a long history with Wipro. So thanks. Welcome.
The past 20 years, and we have been working for more than 10 clients, close to 100 or employees we have as well. We're constantly looking for talent, both Finnish speaking at the same time, technical talent from India. Please feel free to reach out to us any point of time. And lastly, thanks to this fantastic.
This time we have a sponsorship or partnership from City of Jyväskylä, all the way from Jyväskylä. So thanks, Sadhu. Welcome.
Thank you. Hello, India Day. How are you today? Excellent. Yeah, wonderful program here. And City of Jyväskylä is very pleased to be here to celebrate the culture and the friendship. My colleague from Espoo asked that how many of you are from Espoo. So
മൊത്തം ഇന്ത്യൻ കടകളാണ്. ഇന്ത്യയിലെ വിവിധ സ്റ്റേറ്റുകളിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ഷാളുകൾ, ഭക്ഷണ പദാർത്ഥങ്ങളാണ് മെയിനായിട്ട്. പിന്നെ കരകൗശല വസ്തുക്കളുണ്ട്, പിള്ളേർക്ക് കളിക്കാനുള്ള സൗകര്യമുണ്ട്, ഹാൻഡ്ലൂമിൻ്റെ ഉണ്ട്, നമ്മുടെ കേരളത്തിൻ്റെ ആയുർവേദമുണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെ മൊത്തം ഇന്ത്യൻ കൾച്ചർ ഏകദേശം എല്ലാം തന്നെ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് പറയാം. ആൾക്കാർ കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. പിന്നെ ഓരോരോ ഷാളുകളാണ്. ഇങ്ങനെ സ്റ്റേജ് പുറയിലാണ്. ഇത് ഡിജിറ്റൽ ഒരു സ്റ്റേജാണ് കാണുന്നത്. വലിയൊരു ഗ്രൗണ്ടാണ്. അങ്ങോട്ട് നല്ല ക്രൗഡാണ്. ഈ ഭാഗത്തൊക്കെ ഇരുന്ന് ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കാനും വേസ്റ്റ് ഇടാനുള്ള ടിന്നുകളും ബില്ലുകളും എല്ലാം ഉണ്ട്. കുറേ പേര് വരുന്നു, കാണുന്നു, പോകുന്നു. കുറേ പേര് പിന്നെയും വന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. 4 മണി വരെയാണ് സമയം. ഇവിടെ സെക്യൂരിറ്റിക്കാരുണ്ട്, പോലീസും ആണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ മെയിൻ ഗേറ്റ്. അവിടെ ഒരു ചെറിയ ഗേറ്റുണ്ട്.